guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Got our first big window in on our window replacement project. Our brick toothed out nice. Some Simonton Prairie style windows. Put that brick back in. Put our ledger in. Flashing tape on, insulated on the inside. We'll trim that out Monday. Jose and Ricardo started on the opening for this little small slider right here. That'll be installed horizontally, obviously. My goal is to get both of these set today. I think that's a reality. A lot less work on this one. It'll be a job completed for the day. Huge difference to these people come. This side of the house is really dark. Also, they can get to enjoy this beautiful horse pasture that they've got. So money well spent. We can help you out with your exterior remodeling project. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.